Have you heard about this new AI tool, as easy to use as Google, but far more powerful? It improves how you think and work, and the best thing is, it's completely free. It can be used by anyone, anywhere to become more productive, make better decisions, and learn faster. Now, imagine having all that opportunity and being guided by experts that teach you how to transform your life using artificial intelligence. My team and I spent months researching and testing all of this, and we put everything you need to know about AI into a practical training toolkit with easy to follow instructions. Learning how to use AI tools can absolutely change your life. Keep watching and I'll prove it to you. Listen, if you've got a regular 9-to-5 job, AI makes things so much easier for you. You can future-proof your career and acquire brand new valuable skills, basically faster and at no cost. It also helps you become more flexible and versatile and, dare I say it, indispensable to your boss. And if you're a business owner, then AI can make you ruthlessly competitive. It can help you make more money. It can help you increase sales, reduce costs, and solve problems in record time. It's a total game changer no matter what industry you're operating in. You can also improve your communication skills, boost creativity, and innovate in ways that give your business a distinct advantage over your competitors. And with our training, you can directly improve your bottom line, but the opportunities don't even stop there. It's also an incredible tool for parents. AI shows you how to do things you simply couldn't do before, and it helps you make better guiding decisions. And if you're a student, then AI can help you learn faster, get better grades, and it can also help you manage your time. The possibilities are endless. The fact is, everyone can use this breakthrough AI software to improve their lives. Let me show you a few insane examples of what these new AI tools can actually do. Let's ask the AI to create a high-level strategic marketing plan for a small business. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm not an experienced marketing consultant. I would have no idea how to create this plan, but the AI knows exactly how to structure everything for me and does so in real time in front of our very eyes. I mean, look at it go. It's so comprehensive and effective. Business owners normally pay consultants thousands of dollars for this type of information. With our training, you can learn how to use AI directly in your business to save time and money and solve problems. But AI is not just about planning and better decision making. We're going to teach you how to use the world's most powerful text-to-image systems. You can create visual images for any project, and you'll also have the commercial rights. No need to pay graphic designers. You'll never need to buy stock photography again. You can use these systems for business or pleasure, and AI makes you more creative. Watch as they generate a custom image of a woman using a free text-to-image AI system. We use a custom prompt to create quality output, and as you can see, the AI generated 4 different looks. With a mouse click, I ask the AI for some variations on picture number 4, and within seconds, I have subtle changes to my liking. It sure beats hiring a photographer or a graphic designer, and you can use these systems to generate all sorts of incredible visual content. Have you ever suffered from information overload? Too much to read, too little time to think, too many options to consider? So here I am on YouTube looking at some top 10 tips. I choose a video at random, but instead of spending 20 minutes actually watching it, I drop the video URL into an AI system to summarize the entire transcript. Within seconds, I can see all the major talking points of the video, and then I decide, hey, let's refine it further and just pull out the top 10 major tips from the video itself and show them to me in a nice ordered list. So as you can see, I just learned the most important points from the video in seconds. AI can help you stop wasting so much time, and it also helps you consume vast amounts of information to learn so much faster. That's pretty insane, right? I mean, can you think of how much money you can earn, how much more money you can save with AI? How many problems you can solve literally instantly by having the most powerful piece of software that was ever created right at your fingertips, and crucially, knowing how to actually get the results that you're looking for. And that's the key with this technology, trying to get the results you actually want. And the fastest way to implement AI to get the results you need is to grab our AI training toolkit. It's 3 hours of high quality video training suitable for everyone and includes the following. We're going to teach you how to summarize information, entire books, the latest articles, blog posts, YouTube videos, PDF files, and websites. This AI enhanced skill alone can save you thousands of hours every year. We'll show you how to use AI to free up your time. We'll teach you how to create visual images, videos, and avatars for social media marketing, business logos, diagrams for student reports, funny images for birthday cards, and so much more. This can save you a small fortune. There's no need to pay for commercial images, stock footage, or graphic designers anymore. You can do it all for free once you know how. We'll also teach you how to apply AI to improve your communication skills. Learn how to write better emails, automatically create professional replies, write content for your website, or even an academic essay. AI even helps you learn and write in foreign languages, and it could also help you code in popular programming languages. You're also going to learn how to learn faster, make better decisions, and get results. Use AI to compare and contrast and find the best solutions, make better decisions, learn any new topic faster, and elevate your learning. Acquire new skills at no cost. The possibilities are endless. Our AI training toolkit shows you exactly how to get these types of results and more. If you can send an email or use social media, then you can use AI. And if you start right now, you've claimed a massive giant head start on everyone else. And we want to help. This AI stuff is so brand new. A recent research study showed that only 14% of adults have even tried it. So the question you might ask is, what do they know that you don't? My team and I simplify AI technology and reveal the secrets of implementing artificial intelligence directly into your life in an easy and practical way. We're also the only computer nerds confident enough to teach you live on camera. We've taught thousands of people just like you to get real results using artificial intelligence, blockchain, metaverse, and other tech systems. And you know what? AI actually works. I mean, it just makes you smarter. You learn faster, you make better decisions, and it's not like other tools like Microsoft Word or Facebook or your humble email inbox. No, in fact, it's more powerful than all those tools combined, but like all things brand new, it's going to take years before private companies, education institutions, and the good old government gets involved. And by then, it might be too late. Huh? Too late? Yeah, the truth is, if you don't learn about AI right now, then this may actually cause you problems. People are losing their jobs. It's the truth. And right now, as I'm speaking, businesses are being crushed by AI-enhanced competitors. Parents and students are being left behind by colleagues who are achieving incredible results with literally no effort simply because they're using AI and you're not. You might not even have a choice when it comes to learning about AI. Pretty soon, everyone is going to need to use AI tools in their day-to-day lives. Listen, this technology is moving faster than anything else we've seen. It's compounding and accelerating beyond belief, and it feels like we're trying to take a sip from a fire hydrant. And yet, with a few hours of careful guidance, you can learn everything you need to know about AI and how to put it into your life, into your relationships, your business, your career, and everything in between. These AI systems literally read the entire internet and know the answers to practically everything. But they're also world-class teachers capable of adapting to you and accelerating your learning process. You can learn about anything faster and more efficiently than ever before. The AI can even act as a private tutor without the expensive hourly fees. I can't emphasize enough how much of an impact this is going to have on your life. You can acquire new skills in hours, and these make you more employable, more effective, and happier. I want to teach you exactly how to implement these new AI tools into your lifestyle. We're going to first give you instant access to our most recent 3-hour AI training session. In this high quality video training, you're going to learn how to do all those things I mentioned, plus a ton more, and you can access the training just minutes from now. Or take your time, study at your own pace. It's entirely up to you. Plus, you get 24/7 access to additional results-driven training videos that demonstrate step-by-step how to get incredible AI-based results in your life. This training is perfect for anyone with a hint of curiosity, but we're only getting started because if you decide to continue with us after learning everything in our AI training toolkit, then we'd love you to join our monthly live training sessions. That's right, join me and my team live on camera as we present the very latest AI tools, tips, tricks, tactics, and techniques in real time right in front of your eyes. You can mirror what we're doing and add these new skills directly into your life to make a positive impact. Ask questions, refine your skills, and learn how to use AI better than anyone else you know. Now, one last thing, if you're watching this special segment, then you're eligible for an early bird discount. It's limited to the first 1,000 students and spots are actually going fast. It's a whopping great discount on an already incredible deal. So click the link and sign up today. This AI stuff is a real game changer and we want to help you stay right at the very forefront of this change. Because trust me, change is coming whether we like it or not. Thanks for your time. Actually, that reminds me, you know what they say, time is money? Well, with AI, you can actually save both. I'm Jonathan Regan from Gasai, and I look forward to helping you improve your life with AI.